Welcome to Michigan Condo Voices, where real co-owners and real Michigan communities come together. We break down the issues that matter most with clarity and transparency. Let's get into today's episode.
Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie and welcome to Michigan Condo Voices. If you're new here, chances are you're trying to understand what's happening in your condo or HOA community, whether it's bylaws, board decisions, finances, or your rights as a co-owner. This short video will show you how to use this channel, what you'll find here, and how to get the most value from the content. Please take a moment to subscribe before we jump in. Michigan Condo Voices is for condo and HOA co-owners in Michigan, volunteer or board members who want to understand process, and anyone trying to navigate community governance thoughtfully and responsibly. This channel focuses on education, transparency, and process. This channel is not legal or financial advice. It's also not about attacking boards, neighbors, or specific communities. Instead, the goal here is to help co-owners understand how condo governance is supposed to work, where breakdowns often occur, and how knowledge can reduce confusion, stress, and unnecessary conflict. This channel is organized into multiple playlists based on common condo and HOA topics, including governance processes, financial oversight, co-owner rights, special meetings, and real co-owner experiences. Here's a quick overview for just some of the playlists. Start Here, Michigan Condo Voices. This playlist helps new viewers understand the purpose of the channel and how information is organized. HOA governance and board process. These videos explain how associations are supposed to function, including bylaws, decision making, and transparency in board responsibilities. HOA budgets, audits, and financial oversight. This playlist focuses on financial planning, reserve studies, budgets, and protecting shared investments. Special meetings and co-owner petitions. Here you'll find step-by-step explanations of co-owners' rights related to petitions and special meetings with a Michigan focus. Co-owner stories are shared only when someone reaches out directly. They are educational and focused on patterns, not people. They are included to help others feel less alone and better informed, not to escalate disputes. Condo and HOA living can feel overwhelming, especially when communication breaks down or processes aren't clear. This channel exists because transparency and knowledge matters. Understanding processes help protect everyone, boards and co-owners alike. You're welcome to explore the playlist, subscribe, or share with someone who might benefit. Thank you so much for being here. Take care.